Hello, we are pleased to introduce the Hilti TE3000 breaker, the largest and most powerful tool within our range of Hilti electric breakers. This is a powerful 29.9 kilogram heavy duty tool, perfect for breaking up concrete, asphalt and other flowing materials, and will comfortably outperform traditional petrol and hydraulic breakers of the same weight class. As with all the breakers in our range, selecting the right tool is key to a successful hire. The TE3000 is perfectly designed to provide sheer power for breaking up concrete slabs and foundations up to and beyond a depth of 3,000 millimeters or 30 centimeters. It is also ideal for breaking up asphalt in road building or for pipe laying. You can view the full range of breakers, including the smaller yet powerful TE2000, through our website hss.com. If you need assistance finding the right breaker for you, click the Chat to Us Now button online and one of our experts will be happy to help. We recommend training and PPE when operating any of our breakers. Your PPE should include gloves, goggles, safety boots, hard hats, ear defenders and a respiratory mask. You should also use an RCD breaker. That and the PPE required are available at checkout on hss.com as well. The TE3000 boasts incredible power, capable of breaking up to 6 tons of concrete per hour with 860 hammering impacts per minute. Not only that, but it does not require a compressor, and its minimal vibration output allows for extended usage as well, thanks to its active vibration reduction feature known as AVR. The machine runs off a 110 volt power supply, and it comes with this handy trolley for easy transportation. When setting up the breaker, you should first ensure the power is off, and the chuck and locking mechanism are clean and undamaged. To insert tools with a collar, place the contact end into the chuck and pivot the retaining bar until it is locked into position, with the retaining bar pointing down the tool's shaft. To insert tools with a groove, repeat the process but lock the retainer bar to face upwards towards the machine. To turn the breaker on, uncoil and connect the power cables, then press the switch on the handle. You may need to let the machine warm up before the hammering mechanism starts. To check if it's ready to use, bring the chisel's tip into contact with the surface you will be working on. If it does not begin to hammer, then allow the machine to warm for another 30 seconds and repeat the process. Once you are done using the breaker, you should switch off the tool and the power supply before unplugging any equipment. When using the trolley, you should place the chisels in the holders provided. Then insert the breaker using the locator pin on the base. Finally, secure the breaker using the retainer bar. If you would like to learn more about the TE3000 or our other groundbreaking tools, visit hss.com today.